Synthetic fibers advantages we were discussing, है ना? So no, not all points, but we had discussed. Who will explain? Yes, Javan. Advantages. Elasticity. Any other point? Durable. Wait a while. Don't shout. Don't shout. What I am saying, Hardik. Sit down. Yes, Hardik. Wrinkle free. Any other? I am not saying sit down. Moth resistant. Huh? How you can prove that it is having a high set tensile strength? We discussed yesterday that when we will hang the nerve piece weigh on it, what is the tensile strength? When it can hold a more weight without breaking, that is the high tensile strength. Last point लिखो advantages में low water absorption. Low water absorption means synthetic fibers, they will absorb very less water, right? How we can show it? That they will absorb less water. So what we will do, we will take 2 buckets or mugs. We can take, yeah, in school we can take 2 beakers also. But we will do, we will take 2 beakers, right? In this beaker we will fill the water, same level. Okay? We will mark the level, right? We will take 2 pieces of cloth. One is cotton and other one is the synthetic. Okay? One natural fiber and other one is the synthetic. Because what we are writing advantages of the synthetic fibers, that they absorb very less water. What we will do, if we are taking the 2 pieces of cloth, one is the cotton, we can say, or natural fiber, and second piece of cloth we will say a synthetic. Now what we will do, we will dip these 2 pieces of cloth in these 2 beakers, okay, respectively. Means we will dip this cotton cloth or the natural fiber in this beaker. After that the synthetic one is dipped in this. After that squeeze it, okay. We will observe that when we are dipping it, or after that when we will take out the cloth, water will absorb by the clothes. Then the level of the water, after that you can do, or you can, but you can, other thing you can do, you can take another beaker just to see and squeeze that cloth. Okay, you will see the level of the water in again these 2 beakers. किसमें होगा? Water का level ज़्यादा absorb. Here definitely. Suppose यहाँ तक water का level आ गया and यहाँ पे, ठीक है? This shows that they will absorb very less water. We can squeeze even this also. Okay, yeah, but what we will do, we will take out the cloths and see the level of the water in both the beakers. When we will see in these 2 beakers, we will observe that यहाँ पे water का level बहुत ही कम हो गया when the cotton cloth absorb, and here the level of water is just like this. Is this clear point? Is this clear? Point is clear to everyone? Or we can also say कि when we will spread these clothes for the dry, okay, in the sun, we will dry these pieces. So which cloth will dry quickly? Synthetic, because they absorb very less water. So they dry quickly. Okay, these are the advantages of the synthetic fibers. Any doubt to anyone? Right? So next topic is disadvantages of synthetic fibers. We already discussed all the advantages. So write down disadvantages of any disadvantages. Do not absorb sweat. That means these are uncomfortable in summer. First point we will write down, as she said, do not absorb water. So uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable during summer. Okay, you can explain this point why it is uncomfortable during summer, because they will absorb less water, and if they will not absorb our sweat, okay, so we will feel sticky during the summer season, or especially the rainy season when the water is not absorbed, then we will not feel comfortable. Okay, and if water is not absorbed, yani ki sweat is not absorbed properly, then what will happen? Suppose when you are wearing like clothes and at that time if it's not absorbed, irritation, skin infection, right? Then that means it causes the skin infection or irritation. It causes skin diseases. It causes skin diseases like eczema, ECZEMA. It causes skin diseases because if water or the sweat is not absorbed, then it will remain to our body, clothes will stick to it, and then it causes the skin diseases, irritation, infection, disease ka name hai. It's a disease name that is called eczema, right? Separate point. Is it clear? Third point, as we are saying synthetic fibers, these are man-made. So what we are using? Chemicals. And if we are using like chemicals to make these synthetic fibers, that means these are non-biodegradable, because these are made with the help of, so these are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means that cannot be decomposed, okay, easily. So if they will not decompose easily, then what will happen? Causes the pollution. Okay, if it will not decompose, then it causes pollution. It causes pollution. Pollution may you can say soil pollution also, because when they will not decompose, then they will cause a soil pollution, water pollution, because these are made with the help of the chemicals. Is it clear? If non-biodegradable, do not decompose because these are made of chemicals, that means chemicals, okay, chemicals, they will catch fire as we discussed, है ना? So fourth point, they burn, they melt and burn quickly or easily. Melt and burn easily. So what will happen if they will burn easily? Okay, when we used to wear the synthetic clothes, acha, all of you are aware, most of the time we used to say do not wear synthetic clothes while working in a kitchen. Why so? So they will melt, and when they will melt, they will start burning and stick to our body, and when they will stick to our body, they form bead like structure and stick to our body, and it causes a problem. Is it clear? So it is advised not to wear the synthetic clothes while working in kitchen or while burning firecrackers also. It will not stick. ये melt हो जाता. This will melt. When this will melt, you can write down कि when synthetic clothes, write down, synthetic clothes melt and form a bead-like structure. Synthetic clothes melt. All of you had seen na, कि when we burn the plastic paper, plastic bag. All of you are aware this thing? When we try to find out, when we will burn, what will happen? It is like this. Ekdam se it starts melting and form a bead-like structure. So write down synthetic fibers. इसी के साथ synthetic fibers melt and form a bead-like structure and stick to our skin. Bead, B-E-A-D. Synthetic fibers melt and form a bead-like structure. Form a bead-like structure and stick to our body. And stick to our बॉडी, ठीक है, इसी के साथ लिख लो, क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में इट कैन कम, सो इट इज एडवाइज्ड, उसको साथ में स्टार लगा लो बिकॉज यहां से क्वेश्चन है, सो इट इज एडवाइज्ड नॉट टू वियर, so it is advised not to wear synthetic clothes, it is advised not to wear synthetic clothes while working in kitchen, while working in kitchen or burning fire crackers or burning firecrackers. Form bead-like structure and stick to our body. Bead-like structure and stick to our body. हाँ जी, ठीक है. The next topic we have to start, that is the after synthetic fibers, as the topic name is synthetic fibers and plastic. Now the next topic, that is plastic. Plastics. What do you mean by plastic? All of you are familiar with the plastic, ठीक है. This is a plastic bottle, ठीक है. Different designs, different colors, different shapes are available. So what we are used to say, this is the age of the plastic. That means the plastic era. Plastic era means everywhere like we are using these plastic, right? So what do you mean by the plastic age or the plastic era? That means we are fond of the plastic. Plastic is available in a very large quantity. Most of the substances are available in the plastic. Okay, we can see why we are using these, because of these are very attractive, these are having different shapes, different colors, different designs on it, easily affordable hai, okay, less expensive, all these qualities, okay, these qualities make it popular, all these qualities make it popular. Due to this is called the plastic age. But now all of you are familiar now, this time, and I am talking about this present time. Now this present time again we are shifting to the plastic, to the utensils, steels पे आ गए हम दोबारा, right? Why we are shifting? Because somewhere we found out that it is harmful for our body, ठीक है. But here, as in the NCERT, because the same book is going on, so they had written this is the plastic age. Clear? Write down, plastic is a polymer which is made up of very large number of small monomers joined end to end to form end to end by chemical bond. Please next time the chalk should be here. End to end by chemical bond, or in other words we can say that plastic is like a you can say the synthetic material. It is a synthetic substance which can melt on being heated, matlab which on being heated it melt and again mold into the desired shape, okay. So according to this we can say the plastics is of the two different types. So the kinds of the plastic we can say, or the type of plastic we can say. So there are the two main points, two types of plastic. thermoplastic, thermosetting. We have to differentiate between thermoplastic and thermosetting, and here we will write down the parameters. Write down, कोई बात, write down nature. First point, nature. Nature में we will write down the definition. First point, nature. Write down the definition. A plastic which can be melted easily. Yeah, you can write a plastic which can be melted, and write down a plastic which can be melted easily and melted on burning कर लो, which can be melted on burning and harden on cooling. ठीक है, which can be melted easily on heating and harden on cooling. Again and again. In thermosetting, as I told, setting word say you can learn easily. Once it is molded, okay, it will not deformed easily. Write down the point. Plastic which once molded in a particular shape. A plastic which once molded in a particular shape, which once molded in a particular shape and does not become soft on heating. Is it clear, bete? Is this point clear, bache, to everyone? Right? Second parameter likho, effect of heat. Huh? Particular shape and does not, मतलब once it is decided, बन गया, shape बन गई, after that on heating it will not melt easily. नहीं, once it is molded in a particular shape, ठीक है, and does not become on soft on heating. Second लिखो, effect of heat. Stop talking. Effect of heat. What we will write under this point? It becomes soft on heating. It becomes soft on heating. And what is the point on that side thermosetting में? It do not become soft on heating. Do not become soft on heating. Next point, effect of high temperature. राइट डाउन इफेक्ट ऑफ हाई टेम्परेचर, लिख लो सेम पॉइंट. They are less resistant to high temperature. Less resistant ठीक है, and on the other side high resistant to the temperature या more resistant to high temperature. Stop talking. Next point, toughness. Next point, toughness. क्या लिखेंगे हम टफनेस में थर्मोप्लास्टिक में? टफनेस स्ट्रॉन्ग की बात कर रहे हैं. So they are not tough, whereas the thermosetting they are more tough. Sorry. Fifth is recycle. पहले recycle point लिख लो. Recycle. They can be recycled and they cannot be recycled because they can mold it. ठीक है? They can be recycled. They cannot be recycled. Is it clear? लिखो. Less tough, more tough, can be recycled, example, write down example, PVC, polythene, PVC की फुल फॉर्म होती है पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड. PVC पाइप्स लगाते हो ना, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड, PVC, and other example plastic, and on the other side bakelite, melamine. Bakelite, melamine. आप यूटेंसिल्स यूज करते हो बैकेलाइट मेलामाइन के. बैकेलाइट मेलामाइन फॉर्मिका. These are the different plastic which cannot be melt easily.